We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. As you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeeded in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. We want to earn your business the best way we know how, by providing you with the best customer service possible. Come and see what we can do for you today. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.